everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually Thanksgiving. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but we celebrated Thanksgiving yesterday. So it is the end of a long weekend for me. And the best way to end a long weekend is to clean the house, get ready for a full week ahead. We actually really do have a full week this week. So I just want to reset after cooking and baking and just being all over the place. So I have about 2 hours to get everything that I want done because we're having Thanksgiving 2.0 tonight with all the leftovers. And then I want to come home and relax for the rest of the night. I do not want to think about sweeping the floor or putting away laundry or making the bed or anything like that. So let's stop chit-chatting and let's get cleaning.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times.
Thanks so much for spending the day with me on this little clean with me / weekend reset. I hope that you had a lovely and relaxing weekend. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video or if there's a specific video that you would like to see. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'd love to have you a part of the journey. And again, thanks so much for watching. I will see you again next time. Good night.
All the bad